Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase screen recording quality in your OBS. So this will vary from device to device and the hardware that you are using. So you can increase your screen recording quality depending on your own hardware only. So this cannot increase anymore in value if your hardware is pretty ugly. So here you want to go to settings right here. You want to go to video. So here you want to use your base resolution and remember your aspect ratio right here. So use the maximum resolution, and here in output scaled resolution you also want to use the best one. So I recommend using the best one right here. Your aspect ratio 16:10. So here you have your downscale filter. You don't need that, so you can actually don't really need that if you already have your output scaled resolution right here. And your common FPS values, if you have 120 Hz screen you can do so, but if you prefer to only stream in 30 FPS you can do so too. So here in advanced you have your video formatting, you have your color format. You can select this, do your own research of course on what type is best for your monitor, because not all monitors have the same color range and sRGB ranges. So you have your color space. So I'm using max, so I'm using my Rec 709. So this will depend on the type of software you're using, if you're AMD or NVIDIA. So you also have your color range. If you want your color range to be full, you can do so right here. Your SDR white level, I recommend it to just leave it at this, and your HDR nominal peak level will be 1000 nits. I also recommend you to just leave it at the regular settings for the best possible things. So there you go guys, just press OK and you'll be on your way. So that is how you increase your screen recording quality and your OBS. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.